What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're going to be heading on over to MidFlorida's Cars and Grubs event. That's, I believe, it's at Decision Tactical. I'm going to be heading on over there. We should have a pretty decent lineup tonight, pun intended. So I don't know if I'm going to make the pre-meet because I got quite a distance to go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just straight jump to it. I'm not gonna do a cold start timing wise, and the car is not cold, so yeah, let's jump into it. All right, at the meetup spot, got a story on this one. I'll definitely let y'all know about that one. I'll go talk to the guys in a second. And we still got a few on the way. I believe that's Steve. Yep. Looking good. Yeah. I think I might be a little higher. But I do have 20s too, so. All right.
I couldn't get two in the lineup. So let's put them right here, though. Appreciate you guys.
No problem.
Appreciate you, man.
Backwards?
That's what I was gonna say. Why does it look just like mine? Damn, Brad, I ruined your video.
Nah, you good. So yeah, we are lined up pretty deep. And I'm a little salty, my underglow ain't working right. Actually, hold on, this side is working. So the side that's not working is on the other side, so I can still turn it on. Gator kit. Very dope.